This is premium quality hair, and it comes in all different sizes and colours as well. Obviously my hair did used to be this colour at one point. At the moment it's not, but we're going to actually make this my colour. You can cut it, you can dye it, so let's do this. As you can see, fully customizable. You can do it whatever colour you want to. Blue, pink, yellow, brown, keep it blonde, put little bits in, whatever you want to. So now I'm going to attempt to put this on and show you what you can achieve. So if you can see here, it comes with clips to secure, and I'm just going to pop this on my parting, put the clips in. So I'm going to cut it. And then what you can do is just blend. So you can see, you can just blend it really in to your own hair. So I'm just going to pop that other clip down as well. And it is very, very secure. Like, this is not going to go anywhere at all. There's so many things you can do with this. You can actually put this up as well. So if I can show you. If you're wearing a full wig now, you wouldn't be able to do this because the wig will be on show. But with this piece, you can put your hair up, you can bring little bits out, you can also straighten the hair, curl it, put heat on it, treat it as real hair. So I'm just going to try and see if we can show you some curls in this as well. As you can see guys, I've got the unit in, and I can show you that it is totally undetectable once you tidy it up. So the great thing about this piece is you can tie it up without no one noticing that you've got a piece in, whereas with wigs you can't actually tie them up, and there's certain things you can't do with them. So I've not had to adjust this at all. We've just popped a few curls through, and it's literally my go-to look, which has just made me feel a lot more confident. So when I'm out and about, I don't think like, oh my gosh, people are looking at my scalp. I love it. Brilliant.